it is amazing. It is one of the best conferences I've ever attended.
ICANN is breaking barriers. In this various workshops or the various programs that you conduct during the ICANN, the students identify themselves and their true qualities that, okay, this can be a career for me.
The students look forward to this event because ICANN gets you a variety of fields. ICANN gets you a lot of things where you can put in all your efforts, where you can put in all your expertise.
If we want to take them further to make them global citizens and we want to bring them abreast with what is happening all around, ICANN is one platform.
It just makes people interact with, top-notch businessmen, top-notch entrepreneurs, self-made people of the country.
It is deteriorating the stage fear which the students have in themselves.
All those students who otherwise were at the background, they came to forefront and they gained that kind of confidence.
But the fact that I can be a Prime Minister and anybody can be a Prime Minister at ICANN conference is what makes me believe that I have it in me.
I think the concept of ICANN is learning with fun.
Whether it was the on-spot topics that we get during the political party sessions or the in-between sessions in the auditorium, they're absolutely a lot of fun.
I think everybody gets an opportunity to be on the stage. I think that's the best part.
In my belief, everybody is gunpowder. All you need is a spark to make that boom come true, and ICANN is that spark.